What's up, guys? So today I pull up to the job site and I see all this water here. I was like, why is there all this water here? And I go check. This water hose here was open. Let me turn on my light. This hose here was open and it was gushing water all the way out to, I don't know if you could see that cone shape over there. Well, gushing water all the way out to over there. My coworker turned off the water and we get this surprise here, early Christmas present. Our whole trench here, 6-7 foot deep trench, from all the way over there to all the way here, filled to the brim with water. It's gone down a bit, which isn't that good because it's going into the earth, which is going to take longer to dry. And we're literally about to finish digging today, and we're gonna put in the 2 4-inch pipes and the 2-inch pipe for the telephone lines. And yeah, the walls, some parts of it has collapsed, and the trench you could see over there and here was no more than 2 feet wide. So all this dirt here and sand and everything has gone down into the trench, and we're gonna have to dig it out. Most likely not today. We'll try and pump out as much of the water as we can. And it also went in here. Also went in here where the transformer is going to go. We're currently pumping out the water here and it's taking forever. Yeah. So yeah, that was our surprise for today, our present for today. Everywhere water going down this freaking back street. Everywhere. So yeah. Good times. Good times. Oh yeah, also forgot to mention, pretty sure you guys saw it, this box here for the water line is absolutely destroyed.